Hello students, today let me start the first important chapter, that is Introduction to the Accounting. So here in this first chapter, the first important concept for the discussion is meaning and definitions of accounting. So here many accounting boards and authors have rightly expressed and given very interesting and beautiful definitions on the concept of accounting. Let us go through one by one. The first important definition has been given by American Accounting Association, which is so called as AAA, in the year 1966. This defines accounting as the process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of information. So very interesting definition has been given by AAA committee with respect to the accounting. How they have defined? They have defined accounting as the process. Why it is so called as the process? Because this accounting is going to perform some of the important functions. Those are so called as the identifying, measuring and communicating. That is why accounting is so called as the process. Process of what? Process of performing some important functions. What are those? One is the identifying. Identifying in the sense determining what data which has to be recorded in the books of accounts. That is so called as identifying. Identifying means identification or observing or determining the data or the transactions which are going to be recorded in the books of accounts to be maintained by business organization. That is what we mean as identifying. And second thing is the measuring. Measuring in the sense doing the measurements or quantification of data. That is so called as measuring. And communicating. Communicating in the sense passage of information or cascading the information or convey of some sort of the information. Here what information they are speaking about? They are speaking about the economic information. Economic information in the sense the information which is related to the economic events, economic transactions of the business organization to permit informed judgments and decisions by the users of the information. Here the users of the information are none other than the interested parties of the business organization. Interested parties in the sense who used to deal with the transactions of the company. They are the one who are going to influence on the decisions of the company. Interested parties are nothing but who are going to directly or indirectly influence on the decisions of the business organization. They are the one who are going to play their major role in the company. They are the one who used to take an interest about the affairs of the business organization. To those users you have to provide the economic information. The reason, the intention is that just by obtaining and accessing of that kind of the economic information, the users must take the judgments. The users must take the decisions about the financial position and performance of the business organization. That process is so called as accounting is all about. That has been beautifully defined by AAA. AAA in the sense American Accounting Association in the year 1966. So this is the first important definition on the accounting. And second important definition has been provided by another board or the committee called as AICPA. The full form of AICPA is American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. In the year 1914, one defines accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions and which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So if you see the first important definition here, AAA committee has highlighted some of the important functions of the accounting called as identifying, measuring and communicating. So this committee has highlighted other important functions of the accounting. What are those? Recording, classifying and summarizing. So here how they are going to define the accounting? Accounting is the art of recording. Recording in the sense making entry of financial transactions in the books of accounts. That is so called as recording. But they have not only said as recording, what they have stated is it is the art of recording. Why it is so called as art of recording? In the sense the financial transactions of the business organizations are not going to be simply recorded in the books of accounts. How they used to record? They used to record the financial transactions in a systematic way, in a proper way, in a chronological order. This is how they used to record the financial transactions in the books of accounts. That is why according to AICPA, accounting is the art of recording. First important function. Second thing is the classifying. Classifying in the sense grouping of the data, grouping of the events, grouping of the transactions which are going to be engaged by business organization. And summarizing. Summarizing in the sense summarying or condensing the effects of the results. That is so called as summarizing. How? In a significant manner. Each and everything is not going to be highlighted. The information which is utmost important, the information which has relevance with respect to the dealings of the business organization, that is so called as in a significant manner. It should fetch some sort of the meaningful information, that is so called as in a significant manner. And in terms of money, the transactions which are going to be measured in terms of money, which are going to be quantified, expressed in terms of money, those are going to be rightly been summarizing, which are in at least part of financial character. They must have characteristics of the financial data. And interpreting results thereof. Interpreting results thereof means they are going to give the full explanation. They are going to give the complete details of the financial position and financial information of the business organization, and the people who are interested with respect to the financial performance of the company, they can rightly take the decisions with respect to the business organization where they have made their hardful investments. With respect to that, they can take the judgments, they can take the decisions with respect to that. That is what we mean as accounting is all about. So these are the two important definitions about the accounting. So with this I am going to conclude my discussion on meaning and definition part of the accounting. Okay, thank you.